How to delete iMessage app from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Messages and tap on it. You are now in the Messages settings page. From there, you can enable or disable iMessage, customize send and receive options, manage text message forwarding, and adjust notification settings. Here, scroll down and go to iMessage apps. These are all the apps that are included with an app. Turn off the app switches you want to remove. You also have to delete these apps from the home screen to delete the iMessage app. Following these steps, you can easily delete iMessage app from iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.